In this question, we have to populate the next pointer of each node towards its right. So in this question, it's not a binary search tree. So it's just a tree. So basically, we don't have all lefts and all rights. So just we return null if there is no root. So we make a node P which will point towards root next. So in the first case we have roots next is null. So P is here null. So then if we have roots right, we will make the roots right towards P, which is null. So 3 here points towards null. If we have roots left, then roots left is points towards root right. If roots right is not there, it will point towards P. So here 2 will point towards 3. If 3 is not there, it will automatically towards P, and P is null in first case. That's how. So now we again call the function for the right subtree and left subtree and return the root. So in the first recursive function call, we have P null. So basically P here is the leftmost child of the first right hand subtree. So in the first case it's null, but it's not null as there is some values for the leftmost child. So if we have some value left of the P, we will assign the leftmost value towards P. If there is no left and some right, we will assign the right value to that P. It's no left, so the next leftmost thing is right. If there is no left and right, we simply points towards the next, which is null. Okay, so here, so let's say we have come to this root. Root points towards left, so left is 2. So now P is root next. So 2 points towards 3 in here. We already specify where 2 points. 2 points towards 3. So roots next is 3. So here P is 3. So P is left. That means 3 is left. No, 3 has no left. So we will leave that here. P right. So 3 is a right, which is 7. So the leftmost thing is 7. Now 7 will assign here. So the roots right. So 2's right is 5, which will points towards P, which is 7 from here. So now 2's right, which is 5, will points towards 7, and 2's left, which is 4, will points towards 5. If 5 is not there, then it will point towards P, which is 7 from here above. In this way we can do this.